Okay, if you're lucky enough to get one of the first Electrons, this is what you'll see when it arrives. There's a little welcome letter, has a bit of information worth reading. This instruction manual is actually worth spending a bit of time with. It explains most of what I'm going through in this video, but also other things about the app. So how you get set up, control panel, basics of the app. There's more information in the getting started videos online if you prefer that format, but this should be enough to get you out on the court shooting your first balls. Okay, on top of your machine, there is the battery charger, battery, strap, and a Allen wrench, 3mm Allen key for any cleaning or disassembly that you need to do. I don't think I'm going to take this all the way apart, but the battery charger, pretty self-explanatory. Plug it in, drop the battery in the charger. I will open the battery to show you a couple of things. There is a button here to tell you how much charge is left on your battery. It's going to ship probably not full. You'd like to keep using it at 3 or 4 bars. 2 bars does not mean it's half empty. 2 bars means it's almost done. So try and operate in the 3 to 4 bar range. I prefer to just charge it every time I'm out there. Just in those first 2 bars, you'll easily get the sort of the 1,000-shot spec that we advertise. Okay, so let me set this aside. Okay, once you've been through the top layer of your box, the next and only other thing in here will be the Electron itself. Put that down. Okay, let's go through a few basics. So the hopper unfolds like so. There's a little number instructions on here, 1, then the ends. So when you fold it, it has to go back in the right order. You fold panel 1, then you fold in the 2 end panels, and then you fold down the last panel. If you feel like you're having to force something, you're probably doing it in the wrong order, or maybe you need to just jiggle the end panels. This little thing on the back will help the pickleballs keep from spilling out if you're tilted up and shooting at a higher angle. Okay, other things you'll find in here, this is called the lob riser. If you need a little more height for certain shots, it will snap on to the bottom foot. Gives the machine an extra 7 degrees. You'll click a button in the app to say that you've installed the lob riser so that the app can adjust and aim accordingly. The other piece that's important in here is this thing. We call it the stir peg. It's a little rubber donut on a stick. The stir peg goes in to the 1 threaded hole on here. You want to get it nice and tight. That just helps agitate the ball so you don't get any misfires, and you can feed them as rapidly as you need to. Other things you'll notice on here, warning label, don't look in the front, don't put your hand in the front, not too complicated. This has a little LED in there. It'll give you a little coded set of lights to say when a ball is about to fire, or maybe some debugging information. I'll just say, so I think it'll be flash blinking slowly as it's hunting for balls. When it finds a ball and gets it loaded in the preload chamber, it'll go solid. That means it's ready. And then right before it shoots a ball, it gives a little, maybe 4 quick blinks to let you know that it's about to launch. On the back is the other peg. This is for the strap. When you put the battery in, you're going to push it in. Make sure you hear a good solid click. And when you push the button, after about a second, you'll see it light up. So the control panel is explained in either the instruction manual or another video. I'm not going to go over that here, but if you want, you can run the machine from this panel. Okay, last but not least is the strap. It was in the box we looked at the beginning. Slides out here. There are 2 leather holes on each end that will hook over the pegs. It's going to be a little snug the first time around, but after it sits on there, just leave it attached for the first night and it'll be stretched out pretty good the next time you want to use it. So you can carry it either by the handle, make sure you're well attached to the two ends, or you can adjust the length, put it over your shoulder and head off to the court. Congratulations, I hope you enjoy it.